for 2025. Thank you so much, kids, for sharing your wonderful experiences and valuable learnings from this school year here at IPSI. We are so proud of how much growth, keep believing in yourselves, and continue striving until you reach your dreams and success.
相信通过这段视频，大家应该看到了孩子们这一学年的成长。所以孩子们，请继续相信自己，继续努力，你们一定可以做得更好。
And now, we are delighted to present a graceful performance by one of our talented grade 1 students. Please welcome Joanna Paula Subatila as she takes the stage with her lovely ballet dance.
芭蕾舞者不动声色的存在，快速舞动的精灵舞步轻盈。现在，让我们有请1年级小朋友秀美带来她优雅又可爱的芭蕾舞。
Let's give her a warm round of applause.